Flying a light single-engine aircraft in mountainous terrain is different than any other form of flying. The challenges of interacting with the factors of mountains, weather, wind, and aircraft can be handled by acquiring some specific knowledge and skills. And of course, like with any type of flying, mountain flying requires good judgment along with good flying skills. Statistics show that flatland pilots, those visiting from outside the mountain areas, are most at risk. Consistently, the main cause of accidents in the mountains arises from pilots who have misinterpreted the effect that mountains and altitude can have on an aircraft's performance. This video is designed for those pilots with little or no previous mountain flying experience. It's not designed as a complete mountain flying course, but rather an overview of the basic information and skills that accomplished pilots put into use every time they fly through the mountains. And any pilot can learn them. The perfect scenario for any introduction to mountain flying is where the pilot departs from an aerodrome located in a wide valley, flies over the mountains or follows a valley featuring good landmarks, and lands at an aerodrome also situated in a wide valley. This introduction flight also calls for good visibility with high clouds or no clouds at all. By comparison, more advanced mountain flying involves departures from mountain strips and flights where the pilot is restricted by weather to follow valleys below the tops of ridges. This form of flying requires experience and specialized instruction and is not the subject of this video. Before planning the particulars of any flight in the mountains, a pilot will first have to consider the key challenges of mountain flying. Mountains create micro-weather systems that can result in unforeseen adverse weather that could block your route. The mountains are literally producing clouds out of clear blue skies. Sudden reduced visibility occurs due to smoke, haze, fog, or precipitation while flying in close proximity to the terrain. Strong winds interact with the terrain, which results in significant turbulence, creating strong updrafts and downdrafts that may exceed an aircraft's ability to climb. High-density altitude will affect an aircraft's performance, which means longer takeoff rolls, reduced climb rates, and increased true airspeeds that affect turn radius and results in longer landing rolls. And navigation challenges created by complex mountain topography, which could lead to errors like turning up into a box canyon with no exit. Understanding and dealing with these unique aspects to mountain flying will help minimize the risk and make your mountain flying activities less stressful.